Are you facing Roblox not connecting to the internet on your iPhone? This usually happens due to network issues, app glitches, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not connecting to the internet on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. And after that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search Roblox. Next, tap Roblox from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see whether the official Roblox app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Update the Roblox app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below. Type Roblox. Now find the Roblox app. And then tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your problem is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.